Today we're going to use a tool called Nichesss to generate artificial intelligence words to go on a website that I'm working on. I think this is a great use case for Nichesss, and let's get started. I'm going to start things off with a Google Doc, in which case we're going to paste everything into. We have Nichesss, and then we have a website that is going to be our inspiration as far as the words that we're going to give Nichesss, so that hopefully it can write good content. So inside of Nichesss, I'm actually going to start with emails here, and we're going to see what we can get using the subject and body newsletter. We're just going to paste in this paragraph here and see if that gives it some good stuff. And then we're going to click generate. Hopefully it generates some version of that paragraph. So here we go. The Roman pizza revolution is here. OpenAi has the most amazing new creations, and we can't wait. All right, so that is actually perfect. So we're going to paste this in. I might have to reword it a little bit, but I like that a lot. OpenAi is proud to introduce 2 new offerings to the Pizza Romana family. Pizza lovers can now enjoy something new. So now I'm going to copy this sentence here that says Pizza Romana crust is ideal for the fast casual experience. And we're actually going to come back here to the marketing plan. We're going to click add more. We're going to stick with that same subject, body, and newsletter, and we're going to paste in this sentence instead. All right, so we're going to copy this one here as well. And let's go ahead and paste this down. We're looking for at least 300 words. We already have 141, and we've only been doing this a couple of minutes. So we're going to actually jump back to our website, and then here for the flower blends, we are going to go with this right here. We're going to jump back to Nichesss, and we'll click add more. Let's stick with this same subject and body and then enter in that information. And right here, we're going to take this sentence here. This isn't the best sentence, but it hits all the points we actually want to touch on. And let's go ahead and paste this in. Now let's try to add some more. This time, let's say why fast casual pizza is great. And here we go. So now we're just going to copy these 2 paragraphs, and we're going to be changing this up a little bit because it's not perfect. It does cut off mid-sentence here. Otherwise, I think this one has a lot of potential. That gives us some fast casual. And now let's do one last one. And this time I want to say add more, and I want to do the email subject and body one last time. And then we want to do pizza. Pizza sales is what I want to talk about. And this is what I'm looking for right here. Nice fun fact about pizza sales. Just telling people pizza's popular. Everyone knows it. We're just looking for words on the page to tell Google that we are a pizza restaurant. Fantastic. Now let's jump into the blog tool and let's do a blog intro. And now we've just filled out some basic information. We're going to say it's about pizza, and let's click generate. And now we've got 2 paragraphs. Let's see what we're working with. Pizza is a dish made with an oven-baked flat, usually round bread, covered in tomato, blah, blah, blah. So I am going to use this one here. I like this. Now, we probably are going to have to edit that. Let's add more to the plan, and let's continue on with the intro. Let's just generate some more intro, and we're going to copy this right here. Now, notice this is a part of the AI. We need to ignore that. And let's come in here and let's paste that paragraph. I like that one a lot. We think pizza rocks. It's often a family favorite. All right, so then this is perfect. So between all of these different paragraphs, I think we have what we need. Let's actually come here and let's look at the word count. We've got 660 words. Now, that's a good start. I think what we'll be able to do is trim a bunch of this down and then add to it. And we can actually come here and we can write our article inside of phrase. We can enter in our search query, and let's go ahead and create the document. And what we're going to get is all of the top results. If we pull in some, more buzzwords to apply to our Nichesss content, and we're going to be able to see how many words we need, as well as how many times we need to say particular words. So we can come here inside of the topic score, and we can actually see how many times we need to say certain things. And then this will help us optimize our homepage, making sure that we're saying a bunch of different things that people are looking for when they're looking for the best pizza, so that hopefully we can get our client into those search results a little bit quicker. This is not, I'm no SEO expert, but this tells me kind of some basic guidelines as to what we need. So now let's paste in our Google Doc. information from Nichesss, and let's write a title. And we're just going to go with a simple title now, Great Pizza Fast. And we're going to see based on what we've written from Nichesss as far as how much we have to actually, kind of adjust here. Now, obviously we want to change stuff like this. We're just going to want to delete out some of this, and we will enter in the area that this restaurant is in. And we can see the topic scores here. It actually gets a lot of this off the bat. Now we just need to go in and we need to make sure we hit some of these topics. So we've obviously got delivery service we're gonna have to add, favorite pizza, that's a good one, green pepper. So we'll list out some toppings. Let me make a note of that down here. Customer service is something we're gonna wanna say. And then let's add from fresh toppings like green peppers and onions. All right, so I've gone through and optimized this a little bit. It is not perfect at this point. I actually don't know everything that's going to be on the menu, so I don't want to write too much, specific. So now we're up to 958 words. I added a little bit to this, but I really didn't change much. What we'll see is some of this is a little bit redundant, it duplicates. However, once we put this on a website with pictures and everything, I think honestly this will be most of our content, and I think it'll look great. I'm going to be making a video using this content here with a tool from the AppSumo store called WebWave, in which case we're actually going to build a local pizza restaurant website. So I used Nichesss to generate most of the content here, and honestly I think it works pretty well. I'm using phrase to make sure that I'm hitting the right densities on certain keywords. I'm no SEO expert. However, in my area, it's pretty easy to rank. This works, so might as well stick with it. Hopefully this video brought you some value. I wanted to show you how I think you can use Nichesss to generate content for your website. This is one of those things, copywriting for a website, that frankly, I don't like doing. I'm not particularly good at. But the Nichesss email tool, as well as the Nichesss blog tool, but I really like that email tool to generate sales copy or general copy for websites and things of the like. Hopefully this video has brought you some value. Hit the like button if it has. Subscribe if you want to see more content like this. Leave a comment down below what your thoughts are. My name is Scott with aiPROFITz.com, and we'll see you in the next one. Take care.